Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be unboxing the new GoPro Hero 9 plus a laptop for editing. So let's get into the unboxing and the review will be next. Let's go. So we have the laptop here, the Dell. It's a i7 which has good graphics of 720 and 8GB RAM plus, which is great. And here's the GoPro Hero 9, this one. So let's get into the unboxing. Let's just see how we can do it. Seal tip is too strong, just cut it. Okay, so it's coming to life right now, the last part. Ooh. Okay, so wow, the long awaited baby is finally here. Damn, look at this GoPro Hero 9. I'm so excited for this. Let me open this. Damn, wow. Guys, see, finally, the long awaited GoPro. I bet there's a battery here. How do I even open this? I've never used a GoPro before, so I'm pretty much learning how to do everything. So I need to first see how I need to open this, which is freaking clean and neat. So we're going to turn it on. Here is the mode button, so I'm about to turn it on. Okay, so look at this, it's finally on. Okay guys, so here is the stand which we're going to be plugging into the GoPro. Then here's a charging cable, and here's the memory card which is a 256GB. So guys, this is a new GoPro which is going to be helping me guys vlog better, because I was being limited a lot of times when vlogging, since a lot of people are very scared of big cameras. But for now, it's a very good thing, and I just want to say thank you so much to Nisha for helping me so much buy this GoPro. She just asked what I needed for YouTube videos, and I said a GoPro would do, because it was a thing that I wanted so much to good. And you guys who have been checking up on me, I just want to say thank you so much. So vlogging is finally back, and we're going to be vlogging as much as we can. We're going to be testing this GoPro, and guys, just want to say thank you so much to you guys. So let's go straight into the laptop unboxing now. Finally, the long-awaited laptop. Wow. Here's the laptop, and I just want to say, guys, I don't know how I can thank Nisha, and thank you so much. I know I'm making nothing on the channel right now, but I want to say I really do appreciate everyone who's been watching, who's been supporting. Here's the laptop which we're going to be editing on. I appreciate it. See ya.